TRENDnet's 8-port Gigabit PoE Plus switch, model TPE-TG44g. Designed to reduce equipment and installation costs by delivering data and power over existing Ethernet cables. This unmanaged switch features 4 Gigabit PoE Plus ports and 4 Gigabit non-PoE ports, supplying up to 30 watts per port for devices like wireless access points, PTZ cameras, and voice-over IP phone systems. Auto-sensing technology ensures the right power for each device. 30 watt for PoE+, 15.4 watt for PoE, and data only when needed. With 16 gigabits per second switching capacity, you'll boost efficiency and reduce congestion across your network. LED indicators make troubleshooting easy, and the sturdy metal housing ensures long-lasting reliability. Power your network with TRENDnet's 8-port Gigabit PoE Plus switch, model TPE-TG44g.